I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set a conversation background for a message on an iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, only people running iOS 26 or newer on their device will see the custom backgrounds. Step 1. Open the message on your iPhone or iPad that you want to set a background for. Step 2. Tap the name of this conversation at the top of this screen. The info screen for this specific conversation is displayed. Step 3. Tap Background in the menu. Background options are shown. Step 4. You can choose to use a photo from your library as the background, or you can choose from any of the defaults Apple makes available. In this example, I'll choose one of the default options that Apple makes available. You'll see a preview of your new background. If it's available, you'll be able to swipe through different color options at the bottom of the screen, or you can tap to change the colors used in this background. Tap the checkmark icon when you're done to apply your background for this conversation. That background will be applied for everyone in the conversation immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.